So of late, CapCut keeps on updating its features, and the features that it comes with, and they add Pro to it, and it is making it difficult for I and you to use their features, because with the Pro you have to pay for it. Okay, you have to pay for it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove background of a picture without using CapCut, because if you use CapCut to remove background, you have to pay. It's part of the Pro feature. So in this video, I will show you how you should remove a picture's background without using CapCut. And it is free. It is free. You don't have to pay a dime for it. So watch to the end of this video as I show you how to remove any picture's background, so you can add it to your video when you are using CapCut. So let's go straight to the point. So first of all, we have to know the kind of picture we are using. I'm using YouTube logo because I'm doing YouTube, so I'm using YouTube logo. And what we have to do is to go to Chrome. Use any of your browser. I'm using Chrome. Then you have to type remove BG. Remove BG. That is the word. Remove BG. That is where you have to remove the background. So when you type it, this will launch. Then you click on upload image. You click on upload image. Then you go to photo library. Okay. Then it will head you to your gallery. Then you pick the picture you want. It can be applied to every picture you want to use. So I'm using YouTube logo. So when I click on it, then it will remove the background for me. So I'll go to download. Then I'll click on the free. You see the free one. Then it will save to my gallery, to ask me to save to my gallery. So you have to save to your gallery. And let's see whether we have it in our gallery. So we now have the one without the background and the one with the background. So let's head straight to CapCut to go and add the picture to our video. So this is my video. So of late, CapCut keeps on updating its features, and the features that it, so you could see this is the video I did earlier. So we want to upload the picture without the background. So we have to go to overlay and upload the picture to the video. So overlay, then we'll pick the picture without the background. Okay, we'll pick the picture without the background. So we upload it. You see, it doesn't have background. Then we squeeze it to the size that we want. Okay, we squeeze it to the size that we want. This method is applied to every picture you want to remove the background. Okay, let's say you want to do a TikTok video and you want to add a picture to it. You can do the same thing. Okay, because when you use CapCut Pro, you have to pay for it. When you use CapCut Pro, you have to pay for it. So this method is very simple. Okay, you don't have to go and pay for anything. So I'm Nana Paul. Watch out for the next video. I'll be showing you on how to do anything with CapCut. Thank you.